In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render in 4K in Blender. Rendering your projects in 4K can take your creations to the next level, providing that crisp, high-quality resolution that makes your animations or models really stand out. But don't worry, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by opening your Blender application. I assume you've already downloaded and installed it. Once you have Blender open, go ahead and open your project. Whether it's a complex animation or a simple model, you'll want to ensure everything is just the way you like it before exporting it in high resolution. If you want to get a sense of how your project will look when rendered, you can preview it by clicking on the camera icon. This quick peek will give you a good idea of how the final render will turn out. Next, turn your attention to the right side of the screen and click on the output icon. This will reveal the settings that determine how your project will be exported. In this section, you'll find the format settings. Here, click on the format presets. Blender conveniently offers several 4K options, such as 4K, DCI 2160p, 4K, HDTV 2160p, and 4K UWW 1600p. Choose the one that best suits your project needs. The choice you make will depend on the aspect ratio and the platform where your finished product will be displayed. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the frame rate. Depending on your project's requirements, you may want a higher frame rate for smoother motion, or possibly lower to achieve a particular artistic look or to save on rendering time. Next, in the output section, you'll need to specify where Blender should save the rendered file. Click the directory path prompt to choose the location on your computer where you want your animation to be stored. Once you've set the destination, it's time to determine the file format. Within the image section, select your desired file format for still images, or if you're rendering an animated sequence under the movie section, choose FFmpeg video. This choice will affect both your render times and the quality of the final output, so pick the format that aligns with your project's needs and your hardware limitations. Finally, to start the rendering process, go to the Render drop-down menu and select Render Image. Once Blender has finished rendering, you can save your beautiful 4K image. Simply click on the image menu at the top, then choose Save or Save As to place it in a different location. That's it. Congratulations on successfully rendering your project in 4K using Blender. With this high-definition output, your work is ready to impress and captivate your audience. Happy rendering!